Hi, this is JNM with an answer to a request I got on how I painted a red arrow for the title image of my previous video, this one here. Well, actually I didn't paint it, I used the custom shape tool of Photoshop CC 2018. You find it here and perhaps a different tool is selected, like the rectangle. Then hold the left mouse button down and then select the custom shape tool and choose a shape. I was using this arrow. Here you can define the stroke size of the outline. Then the color of the stroke and the fill. I set the stroke to white and the fill to red. And with these settings I drag in the custom shape. Then you can use the move tool to move it around, and this arrow looks nice but kind of too clean. I wanted to produce a cartoony look, or perhaps just an individual style. And to do this I just add some points to the shape by using the Add Anchor Point tool. Just left click to add the points to the path, because the outline of the object is a path. And when you click and drag a point, you can move it around and change the shape. With this approach you can add nice curves to the shape and just make it look more interesting. And this is basically what I did to create this red arrow, so I guess the question is answered with that. But of course you can do many more things with the path tools in Photoshop. For example, use these handles here to create a shape like this, which doesn't make much sense for the arrow. But if you're interested in stuff like that, let me know and I will create a video about this. Okay, what else can we do to enhance this shape? We can double click the layer to add some layer effects, like these ones here, drop shadow and outer glow. And I also like to increase the size of the outline a bit. And then use the transform tool to rotate it or scale it as you like. And this is basically what I wanted to show. So guys, hopefully the question is answered with that. And if you have other questions about game development, modeling, programming, let me know, because if I can answer it, I will create a video. So don't forget to subscribe if you like the channel, consider supporting me as my patron, and I see you in the next one.